Brew rich and flavorful coffee in minutes with the Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker. Featuring a sleek and space-saving design, its fast single-serve brewing and K-Cup compatibility make every morning quick and convenient. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker, first clean the removable water reservoir and needle basket with soap and water before setting up. Fill the reservoir with filtered water, reassemble all parts securely, and plug in the machine. Lift the handle, place a mug underneath, and run a few fresh water rinse cycles without a K-Cup pod to prime and clean the system. Once ready, insert your favorite K-Cup pod, close the handle, select your preferred cup size, and press the brew button to enjoy fresh coffee in minutes. How to clean. To descale the Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker, begin with an empty water reservoir and pour in the descaling solution, then add water according to the descaler instructions. Place a large mug on the drip tray, turn the coffee maker off, and press and hold the 8-ounce and 12-ounce buttons for about 3 seconds until the descale light stays solid. Press the brew button to begin the cleaning cycle, emptying the hot liquid from the mug after each cycle until the Add Water light appears. Next, rinse the reservoir thoroughly, refill it with fresh water to the max line, and run multiple fresh water brew cycles until the machine exits descale mode, leaving the brewer clean and ready for normal coffee brewing. Smart features? The slim and compact design fits easily into small kitchens, apartments, offices, and tight countertop spaces without taking up much room. Its modern and lightweight build helps keep your coffee setup clean, stylish, and organized for everyday use. The fast brewing system delivers a fresh, hot cup of coffee in just a few minutes, making it ideal for busy mornings. Its one-touch operation simplifies the brewing process, providing quick and convenient coffee whenever you need it. Choose from multiple brew sizes to customize the strength and amount of coffee to match your preference. Whether you want a smaller cup or a larger serving, it provides flexibility for different drinking needs throughout the day. Compatible with a wide variety of K-Cup pods, it lets you enjoy countless coffee flavors, teas, and specialty beverages. Simply insert a pod, select your cup size, and brew a fresh drink with minimal effort and cleanup. The removable water reservoir is easy to refill and clean, making everyday maintenance simple and convenient. Its generous capacity allows you to brew multiple cups before needing to add more water, saving time throughout the day. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker. See you at the next one.